Today we'll be taking a look at an MP3 player sent to me by an Amazon seller. So let's start by unboxing. The product was sent to me by this company WIDON, and I'll leave the link in the description. The MP3 player lies on the top of the box, and this MP3 player has Bluetooth, it has a 2.4-inch screen, it claims to have 80 hours of playback time on a single charge, and it has 8 gigabytes of internal storage, as well as up to 128 gigabytes external storage via micro SD. It comes with all the accessories you might expect from an MP3 player, including a micro USB cable and earphones. The manual covers basic navigation, file type support, and features. It supports all the audio file types that you might expect, such as MP3, WAV, WMA, FLAC, etc. And it also includes some other formats such as JPEG for images and text files you can read, and even video, but it has to be in AMV format. The back of the MP3 player has a headphone jack, a micro SD slot, and a micro USB slot. The left side has a power button, and the right side has a volume up and volume down. The aluminum backing and external speaker is a nice added touch. Powering up the device brings up a very simple interface. It is easy to navigate, and you would have no trouble figuring out what each action does. Transferring files and audio to the device is a very simple process. Just connect the micro USB up to the computer and the MP3, and you can drag and drop the files into the player. It will then organize your songs into artists and albums. The player interface, once again, is very simple. The external speaker actually gets pretty loud, and it seems actually louder than my phone. Playback also has quite a few options. For example, you can increase the playback speed, which would be useful if you're listening to an audiobook. Bluetooth is also something very easy to set up. Simply go into the settings and pair the device first. After it's paired, then you can just click on Bluetooth anytime to connect. It seems to work pretty well, and I haven't had any problems with it. The device also has an FM radio with the ability to do FM radio recording. You can also do voice recording, and the quality actually seems to be pretty good. Testing. You can also place JPEG or bitmap images onto the device, and there is a picture viewer. And finally, there is a way to read ebooks on here, but the file format is only TXT files. I just have this data file on here to test. It wouldn't be the best way to read books, but it is possible. I think that about covers it for this unboxing and quick overview. This device is $35 on Amazon, and I'll leave the link in the description. Overall, I like it. It's a nice little device, and it's pretty inexpensive, and the quality is there. The screen could be a little bit better. It doesn't have the best viewing angles, but overall, it's a pretty good device, and it works well. So thank you all for watching. Have a great day.